Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are painting flowers and I have two papers, very small sizes, right? So we're gonna do roses in one and the other one a different flower and then see how it goes, right? Now if you want to write something or use this as a card, I would say that you mask that portion so that it becomes a card later for you, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mask a very small portion over here using my masking tape. Okay, so we don't want to overdo it. So this is only to show you guys as in how you can make a card out of it. Okay, now make sure that your rectangle comes out perfect and hence use scissors while using your masking tape, and you would need a masking tape for this one. All the other setup remains same as usual. So colors from different brand, brushes from different brand, you pick up whatever you have left and like whatever you have or whatever you own, right? And then make sure that you're using artist grade supplies, 350 GSM watercolor paper with brushes also, right? So paper has to be 350 GSM, that's my bottom line. Otherwise I think everything else works. So I'm cutting masking tape, two rectangles, and I'm gonna just tape them here. Okay, so they become like where I would be writing anything I want to write, a name or something, right? I'm just gonna keep it very small, or if you want, right, let's do one thing. So in this one I'm keeping it bottom, and this one okay, so I am gonna keep like this or this. I think let's keep like this. So we will use this card as a horizontal card instead of a vertical. So this would be a vertical card and this would be a horizontal card. Okay, so let's say what we are gonna paint on this one. So to paint this one, we are painting something very easy and simple on this one as well. Okay, so on the left hand side we are doing roses. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my caramine color, a bit diluted, okay, version. Okay, so now let's say that we do this. So a C shape, right? So we are building a lot of C shapes. Sorry. And then another one. Now I'm gonna just elaborate it, right? Increase the width. See how? See? Okay, now just use your water, okay, and then just spread this. Okay, so now it's a like very watery version of what we did. So we are C's and U's is what we want to do. Okay, and I'm taking water and just going over some broken lines here and there, so it like forms a rose. Okay, so nice and easy and simple, right? So let's do another one. So we're gonna do here, and I want this to cut off, so it will actually cut off when we remove that tape. Okay, and that's okay, so let it cut off. Okay, and now so I'm also lifting colors from a lot of places. In this one I'm gonna put some colors, it has gone too light. Okay, and now we'll add some leaves to it. So leaves also will paint in one simple strokes. So we're gonna do just swipe, lift, take some water, bring it back. Okay, so simple, very simple. Another leaf now. So swipe, lift, swipe, lift. Okay, couple more. So swipe, lift, swipe left. Swipe left. Okay, so that's it. And then I'm just remove some colors from here, some colors from here. Okay, see how beautiful it is coming. So we are gonna add another flower now, and this time I'm gonna keep the flower orange maybe. Okay. So we made another flower, and I'm gonna just lift some colors from here. So we have something. Okay, and if you want, you can later and go and then add some darker colors to it. And now let's go ahead and add leaves on this one. Okay, so we are just gonna do this. Okay, and okay, so I'm gonna just fill that with the remaining area with lot of leaves. So that's what we can do. Okay, and then we can make different types of leaves also to fill the gaps, right? So let's see. In a lot of areas I'm just gonna fill this with some color. Okay, okay, so we have just filled those gaps with the light green color, and then if you want to do details, we can actually do the detailings with the darker leaves. Okay, so now we can take some darker greens actually. And we can some dark leaves on top of the one that we have already painted. Okay, 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 I think this is good. And we can have some birds also of the florals that we have painted. So small something here and there. Okay, okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's one way of painting a quick card. Now the other would be, so let's work on the other one. Here this is very simple. Okay, I love this one. This I have also taught in one of the another lesson. So you paint a blob of color. Okay, I'm gonna do this bunch, and I'm gonna use a different color also. So we have different colors as well. So we'll do bunch of colors here and there. Okay, now what you have to do, just wet your brush. and then just elaborate this. Okay, elaborate this into 3 petal or 4 petal of what you want. Okay, up to you. Make your brush diluted enough so that you can move the paint around. Okay, no pressure. It can be 3 petal, it can be 4 petal, up to you. And we are not looking for anything definitive here, so feel free to go wild. Okay, so there's no pressure of what we are building, so keeping it very, very loose. See, the other color is flowing and I'm not being bothered about it. That's the whole idea. Okay, so just keep it very loose and very simple. Okay, so very loose and very simple. Okay, that's what we aimed. Okay, and now just fill the areas with lots of tiny leaves. Okay, so just do lots of leaves around the flowers, and then some love of this sort, right? So do lots of flowers around them. Sorry, leaves. What I'm saying. Okay, so some of this, right? Okay, so see the contrasting colors, right? So red and green, it's a very nice combination. These complementary colors actually are very attractive to the eyes. Okay, so that's it. I think I'm just filled it with lots of greens here and there. Okay, and so that's done. Now what you can do is center, as in how you want to make the center, right? You want to make the center white, you want to make the center black. It's up to you. I'm just gonna show you how to make that. So just take your paint gray color and drop it in the center of each flower that you created. Okay, you can do this with white also. I have done white and it looks really good. It's up to you. Okay, and that's it. So I'm not looking for any corrective action or going and modifying things, making them pretty. No. No, we're not doing anything like that. This is looking gorgeous enough already, right? We don't want to touch it. Okay, so see, this is the kind of leaves detailing. You can go ahead and do it if you want. There's nothing like it. Okay, only if you feel like it. So I'm just adding some dark greens here and there because this was all very light. Okay, yay, and that makes me super duper happy. This was so easy and quick, right? Now imagine doing this in a bigger piece of paper, how rewarding and relaxing that would be, right? Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. Because we are not looking at controlling anything. If I continue further, I will start controlling it, which I don't want to do. So I think we are gonna just stop the video here. Yeah, so this, what I was doing was a example of adding some textures to it and all, right? We don't want to do that. So yeah, let's take out our masking tape, and that gives us a quick way to paint some cards. You can paint name tags also like this. So the paper size has to be a bit small, but it can be used for painting the name tags. Even wedding invitations can be created like this, right? So yeah, this is one of the idea that I wanted to share with all of you, and this is quick and easy. I really encourage, if you do get time, if you have time crunch in your routine, right, in your daily routine, then make small papers like this and paint daily. It can be florals, it can be landscape, it can be anything, food illustration. This is to just give you example, right? See, I have removed this. Okay, so now I am ready to write anything in this one. Okay, so let's say let's write something. So I am writing what I'm writing. So let's rewrite enjoy. Okay, that's what I want to write, enjoy, in this one. Okay, and this one we write maybe a thank you card, so we make it thank you. Okay, we'll write thank you. Okay. So yeah, just go wild. Have fun, right? Who's stopping you? It's your cards, your writing, do whatever you feel like doing. So these are two simple cards that we created with some loose florals, and I had fun creating them, right? So if you remember, we did not maintain the painting process in a horizontal way to make this card. We just laid the tape around in that manner so that it turns out like this, and that's the beauty, right? So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy cards, and I'll see you next time. So if you are creating all of this, please tag me on my Instagram channel, and I'll be happy to share your paintings on my stories. Thank you guys, bye bye. Give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, you know the deal, and I'll see you in my next video.